To what extent can we artificially engineer the human body and its parts? And would we want to go there? What would it mean for us to be able to achieve this, if possible? As you may have guessed, this month's video is all about tissue engineering. In specific, tissue engineering refers to the process of combining scaffolds, cells, and bioactive molecules into functional tissues. The goal is to create biological substitutes capable of restoring, maintaining, or improving damaged tissues. The process of creating artificial tissue begins with building a scaffold for our cells. This acts as the support. The scaffold could be made from plastics or proteins. The cells are then introduced to the scaffold in mediums with or without growth factors. These growth factors, as the name suggests, would help to stimulate the cells to grow and divide. As the cells spread across the scaffold, the artificial tissue is made. Currently, tissue engineering is applied only in a very small context. Skin grafts and cartilage have been implanted in patients, but even these were very experimental and costly. For skin grafts in particular, there are four different types: autografts, which is skin from the patient themselves; allografts, which is skin from another person; xenografts, which is skin from another species; and synthetic skin substitutes, which are manufactured products that act like skin. What about more complex tissues like that of the heart, liver, and lung? These tissues have actually been successfully created, but are far from being fully reproducible and ready to implant into a human. However, for now, these tissues in the lab can still be helpful for research, especially in drug development. As an example, for the heart, scientists have been able to generate cells representative of atrial and ventricular tissue, the sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, and Purkinje fibers. This models human physiopathology and allows for better tests regarding drug safety. There is still work to be done to recreate entire organs using engineered tissues, but prosthetics do still exist in metallic form, such as artificial heart valves and entire limbs made using plastics, fibers, and metals. In conclusion, tissue engineering still has a long way to go. We're not at the stage yet of implementing artificial organ tissue, let alone whole artificial organs. Breakthroughs in the field are still being made daily. Keep an eye on CARM U of T's social medias as we regularly inform of new research being done in the field every week.